What's up, my crypto legends? Right, in this episode, we are analyzing the situation for Bitcoin. We are hitting a huge wall of resistance currently at this zone of $44,000. Now, we are also hitting the value area high of this entire trading range from December. We are creating here a very three-wave structure that can be corrected because the volume is extremely low. So we're analyzing the situation to see, hey, if we do break above yesterday's highs, it will be a clear sign of strength, and no doubt that yearly highs are going to be created, and we're possibly going to $45,000 and above and go to the next resistance zone. However, if the price does break a support level that I'm going to explain in today's episode, we are likely going to go to $42,000 and even to much lower levels. So make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode. Now, guys, we are hitting massive resistance. Will Bitcoin have enough steam to break here yesterday's highs? I'm going to explain why I'm in this short position here from $44,200 here on Bybit. Now, remember, you do get a great bonus down below in the description of $30,000 if you cannot trade on Bybit because of restrictions. You also have Mexi, where you have $20,000 worth of bonus. The more you deposit and trade, you'll be getting airdropped this bonus. Let's dive in right away. I'm going to explain here why this is massive resistance here where we at. Of course, that is a daily level that was just tapped, beautifully rejected yesterday. We also have that weekly, and of course, if we close today's week beneath this weekly level, that would be a confirmation of a rejection, and we're likely going to go to lower levels. Of course, there's the bullish case scenario that I'm going to explain right away. Now, the bullish case scenario, of course, would be breaking above previous day highs, okay? So yesterday's highs, if we do manage to break it, which is at $44,300, then we could have a really nice leg up, not only to hit all-time highs here, yearly highs, sorry, at $44,700 range. I expect the price to actually break through, not create a double top. Maybe short term, it will create a double top, but I do see much more price action to the upside based on there is no resistance here in between 44,500 and 45,500. So I would personally think that the price of Bitcoin will manage to get that rally. This is the zone where it's looking very interesting, where we do have a monthly level here at 45,500 and the yearly level at 46,195. This is a very large zone of resistance. I do expect the price to get a reaction at that level and possibly retrace, especially if the volume keeps decreasing. We are having lower volume on the uptrend, and it's a zone where we just need to be extremely cautious. Of course, we are day traders. We are scalpers. Of course, we can turn a day trade into a swing trade. However, we are looking for the price to continue to the upside if we successfully break above yesterday's highs. Just because it's a proven level of resistance, we have that daily level proven resistance, we have the value area high of this entire trading range from December. Breaking above that level with volume is likely going to bring big continuation to the upside to smash new yearly highs. Now, we will take advantage of this move, realizing if it is a successful breakout or not. This is why we will have to go to the lower time frames and see big volume breakout here on the 3-minute, 5-minute time frame. Big solid candle breaking above previous day highs, and of course that will be clearly a sign of strength for the price to get some more legs here to the upside. There will be great opportunities here to get into those longs because several $100s is likely to the upside. We want to take advantage of that push up here on the price of Bitcoin after confirming that breakout. On the other side, what happens if we do test previous day highs and we do get a massive rejection beneath this level. This is a great level for a double top for a swing failure pattern. And just based on it is the value area high, it is the daily, it is big resistance. We got the 0.88 here from the pivot high of new yearly highs to the low here, which is just holding right there, as you can see. This is the last level Fibonacci for this to be a lower high. The moment you start breaking above this level, of course, that is bullish, and you would be expecting the price to hit the new yearly high, So there is a few $100s here that we can take advantage to the upside. However, if we do get that quick rejection on the 5 minute, on the 15 minute, okay, we do not manage to break with significant volume, of course, this swing failure pattern will be a great opportunity to get into a short position. We need to be very careful with that level to analyze the situation, manage risk very, very well here to see if it is a successful breakout or a rejection. If it starts rejecting and gets back beneath here, the value area high and yesterday's highs, then this will be a bearish sign. It's a beautiful double top here on the lower time frames, and we could see a significant drop. Okay, so that is the most important level that we do have here as resistance for Bitcoin to see confirmation to the upside or actually get a big rejection. Now, if we do analyze the support levels, yes, we could arguably discuss that this is kind of a double bottom scenario. The neckline is holding pretty nicely here during yesterday and today. We can see a bit of volatility. The price is trying to maintain that level and, of course, continue to the upside. This could be very, very bullish. So no doubt these lows over here are definitely worth a chance here with good risk management to speculate that Bitcoin is going to manage to hold this neckline sitting at $43,500 range. We are holding very, very nicely here during the last few hours, giving that possibility of the price of Bitcoin to have an attempt in breakthrough. If you are in a long position and we do fake out from this level, I would suggest to take some profits because this could end up in a double top at this big resistance. If you break through from that level, then I would say, guys, hold on tight because we're likely going to get even above $45,000 where you could actually take those profits from that long. Now let's analyze the situation here for the most important support level. As we have a 3-wave structure here, for the moment, that could be into a 5-wave structure in the next coming days. If we start here rejecting from this point and we start losing the neckline here, which is very important, for me, that would be a clear sign that there is a lot of weakness. So not only this level, if we do get the lows here from the 18th of December and create an uptrend, we can see that also that higher low support is going to be extremely important. So we're just going to connect that to the next higher low here from the 19th of December. You can see that this uptrend is just at the neckline here, okay, from that possible double bottom. The moment you start losing here this neckline, then this ain't going to be looking very impulsive. This is going to start to look very, very corrective, especially if you do break down from these lows with that neckline with significant volume. You need to get a spike in volume on that breakdown. I will say that this is likely bearish and we are going to get continuation to the downside to the value area low where we did have the previous point of control from this range. Of course, point of control right now is all the way up here because we did create some price action between yesterday and today. And we can see there's a high volume node right there where we are getting that resistance. So that value area low is where we had a high volume spike here on the VPVR, as you can see on the fixed volume range. And that is the 41,800 range. Maybe this is a great level for a long attempt because you are likely going to get a reaction. We got a low right there. You got the value area low with a high volume node. Also, when we do take a look at Fibonacci from this pivot low to the pivot high, if this were to be the pivot high, it is also the 618 Fibonacci sitting at 41,800 range. That is a level for a quick instant bounce here for a possible nice long trade. Of course, we can speculate here into some short scenarios if we break down from this major neckline and also higher low support trend line, guys, because this no longer will be looking impulsive and it will be looking very, very corrective in a three wave, and this could get pretty messy here to the downside. Those are the most important levels here that I do see here on higher time frames. Of course, if you want those day trade scalping scenarios, make sure to join the Legends trading community where I update every single day for those scalping day trade opportunities. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out the Bybit tutorial if you don't know how to use that platform. You got the video right over here. Thank you. See you later.